I welcome viewers of our channel. Dubai has been hosting a spectacular New Year's Eve party for many years now, establishing a reputation as one of the New Year party capitals anywhere in the world, with iconic sites hosting fabulous events that attract big names from all around the world. Burj Khalifa fireworks. Fireworks are returning to the Burj Khalifa for New Year's Eve 2020, replacing the lighted-up light show that greeted the New Year last time around. The fireworks are expected to be bigger than ever, and are returning alongside a special New Year's Eve gala featuring special Dubai fountain performances. This area will be very crowded, so if you want to get a good view of the show, we advise you to get down there as early as possible. It will typically be packed by around 7 p.m. Armani Hotel New Year's Eve dining. If you're in the Burj Khalifa area for New Year's Eve, then one of the dining options you might like to consider is inside the location's fabulous Armani Hotel, where there are 5 award-winning restaurants inside this 5-star hotel. The New Year's Eve dining options will include luxury options like foie gras, oysters, truffles, lobster and champagne. Burj Al Arab fireworks. There will be large crowds packed along the whole beach area, from Jumeirah Beach right down to Kite Beach. Many choose to head down earlier in the evening to watch the sunset and enjoy a picnic on the beach before the big display, and the area's many cafes and restaurants will also be plying a brisk trade. Another option for a different perspective on the fireworks views is to head out to Black Palace Beach, which is usually a lot less crowded and from where there's the added bonus of also being able to see the Atlantis fireworks. New Year's Eve on the Queen Elizabeth II. The famous Queen Elizabeth II is currently moored in Dubai and will be offering a fantastic range of New Year's Eve parties to welcome the new year in truly memorable style. New Year's Eve events on board include the Queen's Grill Gala Dinner, New Year's Eve brunch in Lido and the Pavilion, the Queen Elizabeth II Disco at the Yacht Club and the Queen Elizabeth II Royal Variety Show. Atlantis The Palm New Year's Eve Party Fireworks. Another spectacular fireworks display can be found at the Atlantis The Palm, where they have been making a big deal of New Year's Eve for many years now. The addition of the Palm Jumeirah Boardwalk offers an excellent viewing spot to watch the show, also offering a view of the Burj Al Arab fireworks in the other direction. Atlantis The Palm also offers a number of New Year parties and celebrations to keep you entertained in the build-up to midnight, with their New Year's Eve Royal Gala being one of the most popular, offering fine dining, champagne and plentiful supply and of course a front-row view of the fireworks. Fireworks at Global Village. Another option for your fireworks this New Year's Eve can be found at Global Village, where this year there will be no fewer than 7 different displays, timed to coincide with the arrival of the new year in various locations around the globe. Starting at 8 p.m. local time to match the new year in China, followed by Thailand, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Dubai then Russia, at 1 a.m. local time. New Year's Eve White Party at Rixos Premium Dubai. The Rixos Beach New Year's Eve White Party promises to be another spectacular event this year, featuring what is claimed to be the biggest buffet in Dubai, along with live entertainment with a live band and DJ. You'll also have great views of the firework displays on the Palm and the biggest Ferris wheel in the world, in Dubai. New Year's Eve hotels. I'm sure you will already be familiar with many of the top hotels in Dubai, and we've already covered some of the most popular venues above. New Year's Eve is obviously a very busy time, and location becomes even more important than usual, with fireworks views a huge bonus, while most top hotels will offer packages including parties and galas dinners to attract as many visitors as possible. Top hotels to consider where you can get views and private parties include Waldorf Astoria, Anantara, Kempinski, Jumeirah Zabil Sarai, Rixos. Like the video? Want to see more? Like and subscribe to the channel.